Good morning, afternoon, evening, Matter Fluffers. How are you all doing? Welcome to another authentic Labubu unboxing from POPMART. I purchased these with my own money, so they don't pay me to say anything. We are not sponsored, and you guys know the drill, so we're going to go straight into it and open up this case. So as you see here, this box came in this morning, literally just a few minutes ago. Just going to show all sides. And the condition of the box. This was delivered by Uni, which has been pretty good for us. There's a little bit of squished box here, but it should be okay. It's obviously not as pristine as some of the other boxes we received. And we're going to be opening it with our little craft knife thing here, as well as the boxes with a offset spatula from the kitchen. I tried it with a ruler, which seemed to work really well, and I've heard of people using butter knives to try open their things. But we're gonna try the offset spatula because the ruler worked pretty good last time, except that it has cork on the bottom, so it left a mess, which I don't like. Okay, so let's open her up. I did inspect the box earlier to see if there was any tempering. There wasn't any, which is great. This is the sealed case. Whoop. Let's turn her around. So as you can see here, there's the front, the sides, to the back. On the back here we have our sticker. We didn't actually get one of these on our Have a Seat case. And then we can actually check where these are from. Which these ones are from Shenzhen. We've been getting a lot of Shenzhen packages recently. You can also see there is a heat seal on it. Hi Jupiter. Hi baby dog. So I'm going to open this up. Hi sweetie. And see what we got today. And then do our lighting comparisons and everything else. For anyone who doesn't know the feel of the box, it's quite soft, velvety, matte. I would say more velvety, but definitely a type of matte. You can see here there's some reflective type of print on the box here. The direction of the holographic and the words are going this way. So it's not straight on or straight this way, as we've seen in some other things. And there's also a little sticker seal here, which we're going to open up. Yeah, we'll just cut this one open. A circle sticker seal. Okay. Hello? Hello? Huh? Okay. I just don't want to damage the box. It's stuck. Can you? Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna open them up one by one. We'll start with this one here. We'll see on the box here. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully I can just put this up here. Here you can see the print is nice and light. The Shenzhen, the stickers there, everything's pristine. It has the same feel as the box on the outside. I'm going to open this up with the offset spatula and do it this way. Oh no, that's not how I do it. How do I do this? There we go. So we got that in there. Just gonna push down. There you go. It kind of tears it a little, but not too terribly. That pun is not intended. That's what we got here. We have the new bag. This is Loyalty. So we've got the card here. We've got the, what do you call this? The thingy, so it doesn't get moist in there. Apparently this is another teller of authentic or not, which I'm gonna try and print out each thing. The card, how it's printed, is quite nice too. Let's put that back in the box. And then for Loyalty, let's open her up. She's looking a little squished. She's okay. I think I like the one we got the first time, nicer. A lot of them do feel like they're going into shrinkflation because of how fast they have to make these now. I'm gonna put Loyalty there. Move on to the next box. So same thing. See the direction of the holographic sticker, the texture of the box. I don't think you can hear that. It's nice and smooth. I'm going to open her up the same way. The opposite spatula. Just making sure got it all the way through. Oh, I messed that one up. You can see they really put a lot of glue here. This one also comes in the new dust bag. This one looks like luck. Put that there. This luck, oh, there's a bit more blue this time on the top of her head. The other one we got was quite pink overall, but this is quite cute. I do like it. It's a little bit of fraying on the tag here. It should be okay. Should be not ideal. And this is obviously the new thin tags. As you guys know, the thinner tags are harder to scan. This one actually looks like it's printed well, so maybe it will be okay. Next box, number 3. Same thing. Nice and clean. Yeah, I feel like all of these have the new dust bags. Oh, this one is Hope. It's our first Hope, because the other order didn't come in just yet. So we got Hope's card this time. Put this over here. Oh! Okay, I saw a nice dark spot here, which looks nice. A little bit of variation. It's quite nice. The head's a little wonky. I think we can just wiggle that. Yeah, Hope. That's 1, 2, 3. Shift these across. Okay, this one, number 4. Another, I think this whole lot came in the dust bag. Oh, this one is Serenity. Okay, let's grab her card. Serenity. She feels like she has a tiny bit more variation, especially on the back here. This nice dark green. Looking very cute. So tiny. Why do they look so tiny? Okay, and then next is this one. Same thing. This one is, I'm assuming love, because we've got loyalty already? No. Happiness? Happiness. Nice. Put it in. Whoopsies. So I don't think I ever showed the bag, but I'll show it in a second. Whoa! Whoa! Hang on, her face, she's so light. She's got a nice big belly too. She's so light. Let me grab my other one to compare so I can show you what I mean. My other happiness is very... You can see she's quite orange in comparison. Okay, and the last box. Move this aside. So same thing. Do. Oh, baby dog. Oh, it's like... I'll have to rip this one open, it's very sealed here. So it doesn't always work, it just kind of depends on how much glue they used at the bottom. But that's okay. This one is Love! Oh, with a slightly damaged card. Just on the corner here. You can see it there. Open her up. Whoa! Oh! Her ears though. They're a bit wide. But the pattern looks quite nice. Let me see. I wanna grab my other one as well. There's always been like conversations online is that Love always looks like no one's really ever gotten a disappointing Love. Alright, let's put that there. And I'm gonna quickly clear my space to do the color lighting comparisons as we've been doing. Now I just realized we never did a color comparison, lighting comparison of the bags as well, so we'll do that one today. First, let's take my monitor light away. Our yellowish lighting. And we'll turn them around. And then let's get the backlight lighting. So again, Loyalty is super glowy. The bag strings are glowing too, as you can see here. Let's turn them around. It's consistency in the eyes this time, it looks like, unlike the last order. And just this one, the cheeks aren't glowing as much as some of the others. This one, it's a tiny bit of glow, but it is there. The nails on Happiness, Love, and Loyalty are glowing. Their feet don't have anything on them. I believe that's only on the Have a Seat series where they have the UV footprint. I don't know what's going on with that foot. Oh, that's probably paint smears. Okay, it's all looking pretty good. I'm glad to see there's more consistencies under the UV this time. So for those who cannot see the foot, that's what it looks like. Do all of them. If it'll focus, hello. Focus please. And last one. I hope this is helpful for you guys to help verify your Labubus. If you feel like they're looking fake, if you feel like they're looking like Lafufus, at least you can refer to this video and under also the lighting conditions and UV lighting conditions to see if you got yourself a authentic Labubu or not. Of course, post up, let us know if you're unsure. If you have the ones that come in the foil bags, like this one here, the best way to also tell with these is the inside of the bag, which I didn't show last time. It has the, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big into energy print in there. There's a POPMART print on the top here. It's not fully shiny. It has a matte sort of look to it. You can see there's like a sort of special type of print in there, so it's another way to tell. But I hope this was informative for you guys. Have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening. Happy Labubu hunting, and see you guys all later, okay? Bye!